Hi, I am Sazedur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Freelancing with Sazedur. Today we are going to learn how to find current location using Wix velo code, right? So at first we have to go to our Wix editor. Then we have to make a blank page. So let's do this. I'm adding here a new blank page. Okay, let's put the page name test, right? Test. Okay, then we have to add a new blank strip in this section. So click on the plus icon, then find a strip, blank strip. So I'm clicking here. So you can see here I already added a new strip. Okay, suppose we want to display here current user's city name and the country name. For this we need here to add two text elements, right? So let's add two text elements in this section. So I am adding here two text element. So I am adding here a small title one. This is for country name, and another is for city name, right? So this is country name, and another is for city name. All right. Okay. So now it is time to add our code. For adding this code, we have to turn on our dev mode option. So mouse over on the dev mode option, then turn on dev mode. Turn on dev mode. Okay, right. After enabling dev mode option, you can see the option to add code. Okay, under the page section, we can see here some default code. We have to remove all the code default code, but we will keep already function here. We already function will we have to keep this function so that we can write our code in the one ready function. Okay, so let's do our code here. So for finding this current location, we need to integrate API in Wix. I think you know about API integration. If you don't know how to integrate API in Wix, so this video is for you. Watch this video from start to end and you will easily understand how to do this. So now your turn is to follow me.